Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. All right, y'all, we finna get this little prepare with me right quick for my Houston trip. Oh, thought it was a bug. But yeah, prepare with me for my Houston trip. Your girl is finally going to Houston. I'm excited. My homegirl lives out in Dallas. Well, she used to live in Atlanta. That's how we met. And then she moved back to Dallas. So I am finally technically going to visit her, but I'm flying into Dallas and then we're gonna drive to Houston. It's like a 3-hour drive. But yes, y'all know, I'm sorry for the shaky. I'm in the car. I don't know how to make it not shake, but I'm in the car, so that's why it's shaky. But yeah, y'all. So right now I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'm gonna go get this head did. Okay, I already got my nails done, but I'm gonna insert that clip in a little later. I tried to like hide it from y'all, but I'm driving and I talk with my hands, so can't do that. But I'll insert that clip right now. Okay, y'all finna come with me to get these things done because they look crazy. I just took them off at work. We are here. My appointment's at 6:30, so hopefully I don't have to wait. Hi. I have an appointment with Bella.
With Bella at 6:30?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Please have a seat. She almost, she just fixed one nail for the client. One nail only. You know?
Okay, these things is atrocious.
Nó đứng làm ở cái chỗ mà kiểu là trung tâm Việt theo chỉ khi mà có vấn đề gì là người ta thấy.
But yeah, gonna go get my hair done right now. My appointment was supposed to be at 4 o'clock, but she had to push it back for whatever reason. So yeah, I'm finna go to the bank right quick because I gotta get money out because she only takes cash. So I'm finna go to the bank right now. And then I'm gonna head to her. I'm so excited. Y'all are gonna love it. It's so fire. It's gonna give Dominican. It's gonna give on a beach. Even though I'm going to Houston, but that's what it's gonna give. I'm so excited. I haven't had my hair done since like January, and that's no cap. It's March 21st. I had got a sewing. I got some bundles. I got a sewing in like December. I wore the sewing till like end of December. When January came, I did. But no, I wore it till like January, like mid-January, and then I took that sewing out, washed the bundles, put it back in, and I cut it into a bob. So then I wore that bob till like the end of December. Took it out. I had my hair in a real cute slip bun at the top, like, you know, nothing major, but it was still cute at the top or whatever. And then from there on, y'all, I flat ironed my hair, and I just been thugging it, wearing it in a top knot or a bun in the back in its natural state. Like, I just been thugging it for 6 weeks is what it sounds like. So yeah, it's definitely that time. Like even if I wasn't going out of town, like it's just time to get it together. So yeah, so excited. I don't know if I said this already, but she has done my hair before. So yeah, so I already know I'm in good hands. I already know she got me. I already know I ain't gotta be worried about nothing. So I'm good in that area. Like she's fine. Okay, y'all. So my hair is done. She is finished. I told y'all it was giving Dominican. I wish I could see how long it is. Real cute, real cute. Love it. So yes, hair done, nails done. And then all I gotta do is pack with me, and it's litty. I love it. I'm excited. Okay, and I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car so I could pay her and then go. Bye. Yes. So yeah, all I gotta do is pack and we out. My flight is on Thursday at my flight's on Thursday. I don't even know what time my flight is, but it's on Thursday and it's finna be lit. I already know me and my homegirl we gonna be trying to move to Houston after this trip. I already feel it in my bones, because at one point in my life I wanted to live in Houston, but I'm in Atlanta and I done been here for so long I don't feel like I can leave. But yeah, y'all see I'm sleepy, my eyes are heavy. So yes, we will talk again when I'm packing. See y'all later. Okay, y'all, so now I'm finna pack my bag. I'm panicking right now because this trip was like so spur of the moment. Like I was supposed to be going to Chicago and now I'm going to Houston. So I had went on there. I was like, my homegirl lives in Dallas. I'm like, she was supposed to go with me to Houston, but we canceled because more people were supposed to go, but they flaked, of course. So I'm like, you know what, girl? Let me just see how much a ticket is to Dallas or whatever. Like, and we could just drive to Houston. It's only 3 hours away or whatever, you know, turn up. So y'all, I found a ticket for $62. Guess who was with? Spirit, of course. So you know, Spirit doesn't allow carry-ons, and if it is a carry-on, it has to be a small bag. So my suitcase, I don't think my suitcase is big enough to fit all my stuff. I don't know. So we're gonna try to use this Forever 21 bag that I got. This don't even look big enough on camera. It looks a little bigger in person. But we're going to see. We're going to put these shoes in there first, because, you know, that's going to take up most of the room. So we got these snake skin boots. Hold on. So we got this snakeskin boots to go with this snakeskin bodysuit. This is like a long sleeve pant bodysuit. So we're gonna keep it all together, okay? And these are from Fashion Nova too. My sister got me these for Christmas. So we're gonna put that in there. It's supposed to be hot in Houston, so I don't know if I'm not really gonna bring any jackets, because if it's supposed to be hot, that wouldn't too much make sense. So yeah, we gonna pack those shoes for that. And then we got these shoes to go with this 2-piece with this cute little purse. So yeah, let's throw these shoes in there. These are also from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova needs to sponsor me, like, at this point, because I make videos on y'all all the time and I'm always buying y'all clothes. So if anybody know the hookup or how to get that or how to get Fashion Nova to hear me, let me know. Hopefully I don't ruin my shoes by doing this. But I'm trying to make some room. This bag has a hole in it. I'm like, listen, y'all. I'm stressed out. This is a lot. Now I have to go back down to the garage and get a different suitcase. You know what? Look, it's a whole bunch of stuff behind me. Clothes over there. Clothes over there. Bags. I am going to finish packing my bags, and then I will catch y'all when I am on my way to the airport. I leave tomorrow. I have to finish this. Finish packing right quick. I got all my night clothes, my panties, and socks, and travel clothes on the bed. So that's good to go. All my outfits in here and shoes. I just need to put it in the bag. So, yes. And then I got to just get my toiletries and put that in the bag too. But yes, y'all. I will catch y'all when I'm on my way to the airport tomorrow. My best friend is taking me, so period. We just going and right here for the packing part. Let's just deem it as packed, and I'll see y'all in the car on the way to the airport. Bye. All right, y'all. I am on the way to the airport. Got me some Luna. Soon she's bringing me to here. So yes, I gotta be there by like, I don't know. We board at
Uber driver.
We board at 7:12. I mean 9:12. So I mean, what did I say?
What?
I don't know.
I don't know. I thought you said 9:30.
We got a board at 9:12.
So you're probably leaving like 9:30.
And it says we leaving at 9:50. I
What time
think.
say you get there? 10 or something?
So I get there 3 hours before. It said wait time, lines have been long. And last time I went to Connecticut, the lines were long. Me and Tay literally made it when they were getting on the plane.
No, I'm saying what time do you land there?
Oh, it's 11 something. So yeah. Oh, turn this music down a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, I'm probably already copywritten by this point. Like 2 minutes.
They do that.
So all right, y'all, so I'm on the way to the airport, and I will talk to y'all as soon as I get there and check my bag and sit down, because I'm gonna be waiting for a minute. Like, I'm gonna get to the airport at like 7:30, so I'm gonna be waiting for like an hour and a half.